Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is on Boya lavalier microphone. Boya lavalier microphone. This is the first gear to my channel as I have seen other people using mics on their video. Always I had to use a voiceover, but now I have a mic. Let's unbox it. I got it just now today from Amazon. So as you can see that this is the packaging which I got just now and thought of doing a unboxed with you. This is the Boya mic and the pouch. Okay, simple leathery pouch, and let's unbox this. So as you can see, this is what written: Boya lavalier microphone micro crevette. So this is the hologram to prove that it is the original product. This is the more information you want, BYM1. I think this is the model number, and there are the information. Okay, so let's okay, so it has a pouch. This pouch has a battery and okay, to connect with the camera, and the mic sponge, and this is the clip we want for mic. So as it is written, it is of how much feet? The wire is of 8 meters or 9 meters. It is like 8 to 9 meters long wire, and this is the mic. This is the mic. So this is what you have to cover it with. There you go. This is how it look, and to attach it with this one. There you go. It is attached, and now we have to put the batteries in them. Just twist it around to open it. So this is how we are going to unlock it. There we go. This is where we have to put the battery. This is the battery. So let's open it up. There you go. It's a single battery. And let's just put them. The bottom part should be on the spring. Hold a minute, guys. There is a ribbon. There you go. It is inserted and twisted back in. There you go. Okay, as you can see, the batteries are installed, and this is the switch to connect with your phone. If it is downwards, it should be connected to the phone, and if it is connected to the camera, switch it over upwards, because after plugging it to the smartphone or your camera, you should not switch your button upwards or downwards. So right now I am connecting to the phone, so I am switching it downwards, and this is the jack point. Okay, if we are connecting it to the camera, we have to just plug it in and then connect to the camera. Right now I'm connecting to my phone, so I will connect it just directly, and this is the length of the mic that you get. I don't think I have to unlock the length completely because I don't want it to be that long, but outside, anywhere outside, when we want the camera to be very far away, we can just open it over the longer we want. So let's hear how it sounds on my camera. So we are back. This is the setting. I have clipped the mic here on my collar. These are the battery, and there we go with the wire. I haven't opened it more because the camera is very near to me and I don't want the wires to get clustered here, so I haven't opened it, but you can open it. It's a very long wire. I guess it is of 20 feet. Earlier I had said that it is of 8 feet, but still I am not clear about it. So just tell me, do comment and tell me that how do you feel the voice is before and after. Before it was recorded from the phone, and right now it is recorded from my mic. Just tell me, and I hope that you like the unboxing that I have done. This is the voice check from my phone, Apple iPhone 6 Plus, and this is the beautiful mess that you are watching right now. This is the pouch, and it has all the accessories that I have kept it, and it is impact such a handy. I can keep it in my bag or purse, and it is just ready to go. This is the notice. As you can see, it is written, before you plug the microphone to your smartphone, slide the switch to off #smartphone. When using the microphone, do not slide the switch. This is the most important and the only instruction that you are getting from this instruction paper. And these are the instruction book. It is a leaflet of 4 pages. As you all know, we are not going to read the instruction book, small handy book. There we go. We don't want this. We don't want this. So this is the product, Boya lavalier microphone micro cravate BYM1. Superb sound for presentations and video recording. That's what we want. And this is the hologram to prove that it is the original product that we are getting from Amazon. Yes, Amazon, we like you. Thank you. And at the last, let me tell you the price of this product. I got it from Amazon. I have told you like for 100 times, and this is the price after discount. The original price is 4,772, and I got it for 1,298. 1,298 to make it short. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe and like my channel for more videos like this, and do comment.